With the right teacher, anything is possible. While this message is a core belief of the Placer County Office of Education, it wasn't evident from a visit to their old website, which could be difficult to navigate and unhelpful. The new Placer County Office of Education web portal proudly embodies the message of the organization. It emphasizes the power of education and the role of teachers in shaping the future of the community. The site showcases the achievements of educators and students in the region, fostering a sense of pride and community spirit. This uplifting and inspiring message sets the tone for a brighter future and encourages visitors to engage with the organization. But the benefits of the new website go beyond positive messaging. It saves administrative time by offering self-service functions that enable parents to easily browse a directory of all services, determine their district schools, and locate special classes. This added convenience means parents can quickly find the information they need without having to contact the organization directly, freeing up administrative resources to focus on other important tasks. The site also benefits teachers by offering a wide variety of career enhancement opportunities, including announcements of new programs and the ability to browse and sign up for related training classes. If you're interested in learning more about how a new portal can showcase your values, inspire your community, and provide valuable administrative automation, just contact us for a tour.